start by having our ingredients ready. Everything will be listed down below. Start by getting 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can use white or brown, but I chose brown since it's more natural and it's better for us. And then I got some olive oil. Started with 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. And you can just play around with this. The honey makes it obviously sticky and the oil makes it a little more wet. So you can just experiment and test it out. But I ended up adding more in the next few clips. You'll see it.
5 things that you should not do in public. Number 1, booger picking. Do not poke your nose outside in public, and mostly do not
So we just landed at the Haneda airport and it's 2 p.m. and I'm excited because I thought there's storm, but there's sunshine.
No one told us that 50 was cheap.
Oh yeah, that's right. So it's cheaper. Yes, it's okay.
3D and 2D.
Pusit. Ito yung mga ingredients. Kamatis, bawang, luya, sibuyas, siling pahaba, and then pusit. Tapos, oyster sauce, suka, asin, paminta, and then toyo. So, yun. Let's start! So, napapainit muna ako ng mantika. Pag mainit na yung mantika, pwede na natin igisa yung mga sibuyas, bawang. Unahin ko na muna itong sibuyas.
May student, kuya? Wala? Yan na yun. Pare-pareho lang. Ito na lang here. Ngayon wala silang treadmill.
Tayo na matadapit yun. Dito may sa pinakauna. It's been a long day for us. Dapat pag nag-Times Square. Sa yachts ka, energetic kayo. Ipainom na ko siyang vitamin B kanina. Antod ka ron, no? Hindi kaya siya gusto maingkod. Power kay si yachts.
Joko.
Diba? Diba? Pag ganito na ko, sige, wani mo. Maingkod ka din.
Ngayon dito na kami sa sa hospital. Papunta kami sa physical therapy. Sa speech therapy lang. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura. Okay. Bye! Ayan yung physical therapy section. Lika, dali!
Can I lay by your side next to you?
It's Curry Shot. Hi guys, welcome to Trending Spot. Darating nga po mamaya sa bansa si Stephen Curry, ang NBA champion at MVP ng NBA.
My mom hates my hair, and she knows that I really don't care. Maybe at the back of her mind, she loves my hair, but I just wanted to say that don't dye your hair frequently because you get bald because of the chemicals and such things. Maybe that's it. And I often get it. I'm not bragging, but everyone loves my hair.